CR karon and shoot nagkasal. Manang ko yung si Hans. And actually for me, and that's Johnny. Hey! So muna kasagaran nung i-shoot per me. Kasal. So usually naisot ang floor and then the cake, muna siya ang cake. Puti lang yun siya ng venue. So ang cake siya magawin klaro ba? And mura na. Hindi na kasimple ang kasal. At ang hanggang tao, Vietnamese siya sa Samoan. So yeah, they're gonna come from there. Kan silang ato, yung manaog. So wako ka starting a vlog, but the thing is, yeah, I'm shooting a wedding today and I did have time to start a vlog. So just filming whatever happens. The DJ and Ani. So I have like 2 of my cameras, kana siya, kana A1, katong 3 ang camera sa gamit karon. Kana siya kay fallback na siya kaso hindi ko pa ready. Yeah, we have 3 cameras here. We're gonna reset audio recorder. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, let's talk about kasal. See you guys. All right. So bye, pag-ora ko mag-shoot to wedding karon niya kanang kapoy. And then mura to, wala ko vlog for today. Mura to wedding. Panong ko uli and then yeah, panong na alas 12, 11:44 PM. So yeah, that's it. Tugnaw karon bye. Today is like Sunday and yeah, kasad. Yeah, Easter Sunday and Laura is still asleep. I'm gonna go to mass right now and also prepare for breakfast. Yeah, dugay ko nakauli gabi kay nag-shoot and then si Laura dugay sa nakatulog. But anyway, I'm heading out. Mudag ko sa ako kanina. No, sinsiyo. Sige, let's go. Medyo tugnaw karon ang car, nag-ingon ng car 16 degrees. So yeah, it's medyo tugnaw. But pwede ra. Kaya ra. Running late also. Need to go. Yep. Let's finish the mass here at St. Joseph. Kanang yeah, it's slowly kay wala si Laura, but anyway, panong ko sa Cebu charcoal belly lechon. Ano? Mo na siya. What I was trying to say is that panong ko kanang palit og lechon charcoal lechon belly, charcoal lechon belly, Cebu charcoal lechon belly. It's around 30 minutes away from here. It's around 29 kilometers. So ito ta. Bisaya sa nga to. Mo gini problema na ko ba ma-lower na ko ang audio. I just adjusted audio. Hopefully okay na ang audio karon. But yeah. Para ba muna ang Cebu charcoal belly lechon whatever. Ito na ko mapalit ako kasi siguro na lechon. Kasi pa ko. There you go. Lechon belly for Easter Sunday. Right there. And siya gamayng sotanghon. So yeah, should be fine. Yeah, everything feels like a chill Sunday. Kanang sa una, every Sunday, like after magkanang sa gani magkanang merkado kung magpalit na siya kanang kinilaw or kanang mga stuffs to eat on a Sunday. Today's Easter Sunday. Today's special. Usually my birthday na ko would fall on Easter Sunday. So that's why I got some stuffs and also got some flowers for Laura. Yeah. Pagod chat. Yeah. Muna siya. So muna akong usa sa mga memories na ko sa Cebu before. Look up. With my dad. Thing is, akong dad kay quiet na siya and then kung market day palit na siya mga pangluto niya or mga kinilaw and he's the one who does mostly, I don't know, I remember siya may pang sa kinilaw. Mom also does it. So mga lato, mga nana. Muna siya kung Sunday. Then dire kailangan man ng merkado dire, so you have to look for the best ones and I'm not good, I wasn't trained kung ako dawat limpyon ko sa una, so that's why I don't know much. I'm trying to do it here and yes, that's what we're doing now. Also sunflower ko palit kay we went to sunflower farm, gibutang na mong sunflower sa among kitchen, I mean sa dining table and it felt good. Makita kasi mong nindot nyo itong sunflower kaya gagmay man, makita ka sa sunflower ka, nindot sa sunflower mabayot ko. Wala siya. Hindi I'm trying to get suka tuba for the kinilaw, so we're gonna go to the Asian shop now. So just like that, na-busy ko niya. Wala na ako update sa vlog. So nag-edit ko karon niya. Na-realize na ko nga. Yeah, pag man ako palit sa kanang kuan sa Filipino shop, wala na hitbo. Naghimo na ko. Yeah, bato. Goodbye.